Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to finally be able to share a project with you guys. My name is Adiola and this channel is all about bringing you beautiful and accessible crochet projects that you can actually make, flaunt and love. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how I created this beautiful vest. The design is inspired by the cabled bloom 12 inches Afghan Square pattern by A Crocheted Simplicity. It is a gorgeous free pattern that I adapted into this tie vest. You'll find all the links and credits in the description box below, so please be sure to check them out and show some love to her. Alright, without further ado, let's get right into it. So for this vest, I'm going to be using a milk cotton yarn and a 5mm hook. And also, we'll be needing a darning needle, stitch marker, and your tape roll. Alright, so to begin, we are going to make a magic ring and chain 2. This chain 2 does not count as a stitch here and all through the pattern. And we are going to work 20 double crochet into the magic circle, magic ring, and join with the slip stitch to the first stitch. I'm going to speed this up and meet you at the end. So we are going to join this with a slip stitch. Now we have 20 double crochet. Chain 2. Now this is where it gets tricky. You skip the first stitch and the second stitch. Then in the top double crochet, we are going to make a front post treble crochet in the next 2 stitches. Working over the 2 stitches that we just made, make another front post treble crochet in the 2 stitches that we skipped before. Then in the next stitch, we are going to double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. We are going to repeat this accordingly, and I'll meet you at the end of the row. We are at the end of the row and we are going to join with a slip stitch to the first treble crochet, chain 2, make a front post double crochet in the next 4 stitches. That is the treble crochets. Next stitch, we are going to make a double crochet in the first double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the chain 1 space, another chain 1, then double crochet in the next double crochet space. That is double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1. We are going to repeat this and I'll meet you at the end of the row. Chain 2, 2 front post double crochet in the next double crochet. Now in the space in between, we are going to make a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. That is in between the 4 double crochet. So we're going to make a 2 front post double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the in between. Then we are going to make another 2 front post double crochet. we are going to skip the next double crochet, that is the next stitch. In the chain 1 space, make a double crochet, chain 1, skip the next double crochet, make another double crochet in the chain 1 space, then we'll repeat accordingly. That is 2 front post double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in between, then another 2 front post double crochet, and we'll repeat this till the end of the row. Now we are on row 5. We are going to chain 2 front post double crochet, then 2 double crochet in the next stitch, that is the next double crochet from our last round, chain 1, double crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, then another 2 double crochet in the next double crochet stitch, and we're going to do a front post double crochet like we are doing. Next, we are going to do 1 double crochet in the next double crochet in the next chain 1 space, and double crochet in the next double crochet. We are going to repeat this all around. I'll meet you at the end of the row. Now we are at the end of row 5. We are going to make a slip stitch to join. Now for this, we are going to slip stitch over to the first double crochet, that is slip stitch over the first and second front post double crochet, then the next double crochet, and we are going to chain 2 double crochet in the same stitch, then double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, double crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1 again, skip a stitch, skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet in the next stitch, then another 2 double crochet in the next double crochet. Now we are going to do 2 front post double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Skip the next stitch, the 3 double crochet from the last round, skip the next stitch. In the second double crochet, make a single crochet, skip the next stitch as well, 2 front post double crochet. We are going to repeat this accordingly, and I'll meet you at the last single crochet before the end of the row. Now we are going to, like we have been doing, skip 1 stitch, make a single crochet, skip the next stitch. Now we're going to work 2 front post double crochet in the 2 stitches that we skipped earlier, that we slip stitched on. We are going to make a 2 front post double crochet and then join our round. We just finished row 6, and I'll just, for row 7, we are going to chain 2 like I've been doing, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, one double crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, skip next stitch, another double crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, skip the next stitch. Now we are going to make another double crochet in the next chain 1 space as well. So that means we have 2 chain 1s. Now we are going to make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. We are going to make 2 double crochet in the next one. Now for the next one, we are going to skip the next 2 stitches, then work 2 front post treble crochet, then working over the stitch that we just finished on, we are going to make 2 front post treble crochet like we did in the second row in row 2. Two double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next 2 stitches, double crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next chain 1 space. We are going to be repeating this, and I'll meet you at the end of the row. For our last row, which is row 8, we are going to make chain 2, then work double crochet in each of the next stitches. That is 5 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Then 2 double crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, skip the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next chain 1 space, then double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Four front post double crochet in the next cable. We are going to repeat this, and I'll meet you at the end. Now we are at the end of the row, and we join our square with a slip stitch. Now I'm going to measure this. This is almost 7 inches, approximately 6.5. I'll be blocking this, and by the time I finish blocking, it will be around 7 inches. Alright, so we'll stop here for today. I'll see you in the next part. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications on, because you definitely don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next part. Have a nice day.